Gaziantep Chamber of Industry. Gaziantep, Turkey's continuously enlarging and improving manufacturing city. Gaziantep, which is one of the most important trade centers of Anatolia throughout the ages, is one of the most important manufacturing centers of the region today, besides trading. By its not the ones who think that today's acquisitions are enough, but the ones who adapt to its changes and developments that will survive mentality. Gaziantep looks at the future with confidence. We continue to produce for our country and the world with the mentality of being robust, dynamic, innovative, eco-friendly, and having a command of technology and qualified production. Production is in all fields in life. We produce machines in every field of production that exists. We make the impracticable. We form the inflexible steel. By Ak Değirmen, we manufacture the latest technology factories and modern mills. With the pioneering cooling system company Alaska, we produce in any dimension needed. Cooperating with Başak, a global brand, producing field and garden tractors with a capacity of 10,000 in the field of 270,000 square meters annually. We are providing solutions for construction of the heaviest industries, such as power plants and dams, with Çiltu since 1971. We push the limits with Erkiz, engineering that grows exponentially each year and is building a world of steel. Küçük Parmak takes place in the first three in its own sector, and we implement every kind of pump manufacturing and engineering solution. We are manufacturing the safest heating systems of any size with bioenergy expert Özmaksad. Turnkey factories are built all around the world by Özpolat Machinery and us. We are the center of compressor production with Petmaksad. We are continually producing with Tüfekçi Machinery, the most valuable address of industrial aeration systems. And we provide solutions with Yaylar Machinery, the leader of cutting machines in the zone. To sum it up, as sculptors of industry and artists of machinery in the metal industry, we are serving the world from Gaziantep, the members of the Gaziantep Machine Metal Cluster. Gaziantep Chamber of Industry.